We guide you through how to redeem Roblox codes on both mobile and PC. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser because Roblox codes must be redeemed on the official Roblox website, not inside the game app. So you need to make sure you are logged in into the correct account where you want rewards sent. Next, find a valid Roblox promo code from an official event, Roblox social media page, or trusted creator. Then carefully type or paste the code into the redemption box. Remember that codes are case sensitive, so avoid extra spaces or incorrect letters. After entering the code, click or tap redeem, and if the code is still active, you'll immediately see a success message confirming your reward. To check your new item, head over to your inventory and refresh the page if it doesn't appear right away. If you get an error message, the code may have expired or already been used, so try another active code. For the best chance at grabbing a new rewards, redeem codes as soon as they are released because many Roblox codes are time limited.